Are you looking for a new job? You might just love Pink Power Home Cleaners. We've got bosses who care. We've got our own company vehicles. We coach for success, and we have Wink Wednesday. It's part of the fun. Check us out. I think you'll like us.
I really like working for Pink Power Home Cleaners because we have weekends off, and that allows me to spend more time with my little brother because he's, in school all week, so we get the weekends to spend together.
I also like that I don't have to work the evening shifts and the night shifts.
And there's a lot of opportunities that they offer, like I've worked my way up in the small amount of time that I've been here.
Yeah, I like that they have positions so you can work your way up and learn more actually. And that's what I like about it. But we love puppies so much.
And you see so many puppies throughout the day.
Oh, yes.
Sometimes you see like 10. You never know. It's great.
When they come back, they're going to be like, wow, it's actually pretty amazing.
This is my house. Look at it. I would say if you're unsure if this is the job for you, to just throw yourself into it. Just go for it. This is what I did. I wasn't sure if it was going to be, what I wanted, but once I got here, I knew that it was for me, from the start.
Yeah, it's honestly the best company that I've ever worked for.